Dear ladies and gentlemen, 2013 was a successful year for Wienerberger. Successful because we were able to generate a sound increase in revenues and earnings in spite of a difficult market environment, and we were able to meet all operating targets. Additionally, we were able to expand our market positions in a number of countries. I would now like to give you a brief overview of the most important developments in our 2013 financial year. The market environment in Europe was significantly influenced by unusual severe weather in the first 2 quarters and characterized by ongoing weakness in the construction sector during the entire year. Although roughly 90% of our revenues are recorded in Europe, we were able to realize substantial growth in revenues and earnings for the group. In 2013, Wienerberger's revenues rose by 13% to 2.7 billion and operating EBITDA by 9% to 266 million euros. This positive development was mainly driven by our pipe business. Project tenders for pipe systems in Europe were negatively affected by the austerity programs of national authorities. But we could realize outstanding growth in the international project business with our large industrial pipes, which have a diameter of up to 2.5 meters. Pipelife is the world's largest supplier of these pipes. Together with its broad product portfolio of fiber-reinforced pipes and pipes for electrical and water installations in the industrial and private sectors, the plastic pipe business remained on a growth course in 2013. Driven by the initial consolidation of Pipelife, the Pipes and Pavers division recorded an increase of 45% in revenues and 49% in operating EBITDA in 2013. These results also underscore the key importance of this pipe business for our group and confirm Wienerberger's diversification strategy. Sound development was also recorded by the US brick business, where the recovery in the new residential construction continued. The North American division generated an increase of 16% in revenues and 35% in operating EBITDA, which also led to a sound improvement in the margins for the year. In the European brick business, we were unable to offset the weather-related volume declines from the first half year during the final 6 months. As a result, the division recorded a decline of 3% in revenues and 7% in operating EBITDA. However, this business is also on a good track due to the successful implementation of the restructuring measures. In 2013, we could meet all our ambitious operating and financial goals. The restructuring measures introduced in 2012 were implemented as planned and contributed 19 million of cost savings. Financial discipline and successful working capital management allowed us to reduce net debt, namely from 602 million at the end of 2012 to 539 million at the end of 2013. The ratio of net debt to operating EBITDA equaled 2 times at the end of 2013, which is clearly below our own internal target of less than 2.5 times. Even if our bottom line shows a small loss of 8 million euros in 2013, the generated free cash flow of 93 million euros underpins the strength of our business model. In 2013, we continued to work hard to differentiate ourselves from our competitors with innovative product solutions and wide-ranging service expertise. These efforts made it possible for us to outperform markets and to further expand our market shares in countries like Great Britain, Poland and the Czech Republic, to name just a few. All in all, we further strengthened Wienerberger's market position in 2013. I am therefore optimistic that we will stay on a growth path in 2014 and expect clear revenue and earnings increase for the full year. For Europe, I anticipate slight growth in new residential construction, and in the US, the current positive trend should further continue. In the pipe business, I cannot exclude a slight decline because it will be difficult to duplicate the good results from the project business in 2014. Our focus remains on strong cash flow generation and organic growth through the innovative and premium product solutions. We are working continuously on solutions that offer our customers comfortable, energy-efficient living and supply security for water, electricity and gas. In Austria and the Czech Republic, for example, new filling installations were recently opened for the production of our future-oriented, highly thermal insulating clay blocks. The investments in these plants are comparatively low, but they form the basis for strengthening our market positions and carry a potential for growth. And that makes these investments a key part of Wienerberger's future growth strategy. This is the course, ladies and gentlemen, we also want to follow in the future, and I cordially invite you to join us.